It all starts with a vision. A vision to enlighten. A vision to revolutionize. A vision to enable. Enablers. A vision, first of its kind, which has been transforming the youth's potential into success stories. With tech, entrepreneurship, and skill-based learning through Amazon, e-commerce, schools, and colleges, Enablers is enabling thousands of people through its innovative technology.
In what we need is कि इन लोगों को practical exposure दिया जाए. हमने startups कैसे build करना है, digital assets कैसे बनाने हैं, digital companies कैसे बनाने हैं, cloud computing कैसे करनी है, cyber security पे कैसे काम करना है.
With state-of-the-art campuses, star faculty members, and matchless academia, Enablers has started making its very own and unique history.
I see the youth of the Pakistan, they are very, very talented people. The only thing different, the only thing missing is the direction. We have to produce those people who can lead the world, who can basically employ the people, taking Pakistan to the next level. So looking forward to see a lot of opportunities, a lot of success for the Pakistan, inshallah.
Within months of its inception, Enablers became a major sensation in the sector, from 10 to 1 million students. And from 1 to a score of campuses, Enablers took off for a historic flight.
Introducing ECOMmerce, foreign university affiliations, international certifications, artificial intelligence, technology entrepreneurship programs, and multiple diplomas and courses. Keeping everything truly world-class. Running the nationwide chain of the School of Enablers. Empowering students to improve the future of generations.
And from campuses to classes, making it state-of-the-art.
E-Court का मकसद है कि एक टेक्नोलॉजी ओरिएंटेड कम्युनिटी डेवलप हो. मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल जो कि एक जगह पर इकट्ठे हो चुके हैं एनेबलर्स के प्लेटफॉर्म पे, उसको मज़ीद क्या क्या चीज़ें हम सिखाकर दुनिया का मुकाबला कैसे कर सकते हैं.
Enablers. Your success is our success.